Hello guys, how are you guys? Today I want to just try. As you can see, we have 50 rand here, so I just want to buy 2 bonus buy. I just want to see what will happen in a certain spell. I don't care, or it does not matter in those 2 bonus buy whether it's a small profit. I'm going to stop. I'm just buying 2 bonus buy just to see what will happen. It's been a while I was not playing this game, and you guys, you know that I love this game. And then guys, if you are a new member in this channel, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel, and thank you guys for your support. I highly appreciate your support. And let's just begin with our bonus buy right now. First buy is for 25 rand. There we go. Let's see what is going to happen. I just want to say something. Can we go away with the profit? Can we double our profit, or can we be lucky and unlock all of them, or what is it going to happen? I don't know. So let's see what will happen. Seems like it's a dead first bonus buy. It seems like when we check, you might think, hey, Siren spell is like it's no longer the same before. It used to be giving away nice money. Maybe it's taking back what it has given, or maybe something might happen. We don't know, guys. And thank you guys for your support, and don't forget to smash the like button, and if you are a new member, subscribe to my channel. And then thank you guys very much for your support. Let's go. Okay, I never thought we're going to unlock the first level. I never thought it's gonna happen. I thought maybe we are out. I don't know, are you guys still playing this game, or am I the only one who is keeping trying? Because it used to be my favorite. Okay, we left with 1. If we can only if we can get 2 ladies, yeah, it was going to work for us, but it didn't. Okay, this is our first bonus buy, guys, and we are going to do 1 more. I'm just going to do 2 bonus. This is the second one. It's the last bonus. Whatever happened in this one, I'm stopping. This was the worst bonus buy, guys. This was the worst bonus buy. This was the worst bonus buy. And guys, you have seen what happened. Okay guys, I will catch you up in the next video, guys, and you have seen what happened.